Find the standard equation of the parabola with focus 7 minus 1 and directrix y equals minus 9. Well, if you give me a focus and a directrix, from the definition of parabola, we should be able to construct its graph, right? The set of all points that are the same distance away from the focus and the directrix at every point. Now, I have not drawn a good parabola here, but we get the idea. So this seems like a reasonable question, right? If the definition only requires a focus and a directrix, we should be able to find this equation. So what I'd like to start by doing is to plot the focus and draw the directrix and see if that gives me any more information. So the focus is here at 7 minus 1, and then the directrix is below that. Get a horizontal line here at y equals minus 9. Okay, well, I know now that my axis of symmetry would run through the focus and be perpendicular to the directrix, and that my vertex, wherever it is, should be halfway in between. Okay, well, this tells me exactly enough to write down the vertex, right? Its x-coordinate has to be a 7, right? Because my axis of symmetry here is x equals 7. And then it has to be right between y equals minus 1 and y equals minus 9. Well, I can find the middle of two numbers by averaging them. Minus 1 plus minus 9 is minus 10, divided by 2 is minus 5. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and my vertex right there. I knew if I made that dot big enough, even when it's not to scale, it would be at the right spot. That was in air quotes. Please forgive the poorly drawn scale there. All right, the other thing I noticed from this drawing is that my parabola would face upward, which means x is being squared. So the standard equation I'm looking for is an x minus h all squared equals 4p and a y minus k. Well, I know h and k. Now I'll need to know a value of p to plug in right there. All right, but from this I can also tell you what p is, because p is a distance, a directed distance between a vertex and a focus. And my focus is 4 units above. So p is equal to 4. So right there I really have a 4 times 4 is 16. And we have found our equation for that particular parabola. And that's it for now.